Welcome back, guys. We're TwistedShoppingGuide.com and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best chocolate melting pots. From heavenly truffles to luscious fondue and everything in between, these magical pots are the getaway to indulgence. So get ready for a chocolatey delight that will leave you mesmerized and craving for more using one of the chocolate melting pots on our list today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TwistedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth chocolate melting pot on our list is the ALDKitchen chocolate melting pot, which TwistedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Indulge in the enchanting world of chocolate with the ALDKitchen chocolate melting pot, where culinary magic and sweet delights come to life. Designed to perfection, this versatile appliance is a melting maestro, delicately transforming chocolate and other delectable ingredients with ease. Unleashing its melting prowess, this pot gracefully dances with precision and consistency. With adjustable temperature controls, it delicately maintains the ideal temperature for melting chocolate, ensuring a luscious result without a hint of scorching. It also has a generous capacity that embraces a wealth of chocolate, ready to inspire your culinary adventures. Simplicity reigns supreme in the realm of the ALDKitchen chocolate melting pot. Its user-friendly design welcomes you with open arms, beckoning you to effortlessly navigate its intuitive controls. The temperature dials or buttons guide your hand, empowering you to set and adjust the perfect temperature with a mere touch. You can also watch as indicator lights gleam, signaling a tantalizing transformation of chocolate into silky smoothness. Beyond chocolate, this pot whispers tales of versatility while its heart beats from melting chocolate. It embraces a myriad of delicate ingredients. It can be used for caramel cascades, candy melts surrender, and sauces or cheeses harmonize, creating a symphony of flavors. This allows your culinary creativity to soar as this melting pot becomes a gateway to extraordinary confectionery delights. However, it is worth noting that the ALDKitchen chocolate melting pots has a relatively small capacity compared to larger commercial-grade melting pots. If you frequently need to melt larger quantities of chocolate or work in a professional setting, you may find the capacity to be insufficient. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a chocolate melting pot with a mesmerizing performance of melting prowess and ease of use. The fourth chocolate melting pot on our list is the Oster Fondue Pot, which TwistedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Immerse yourself in a world of whimsy as the Oster Fondue Pot takes center stage. This versatile appliance is designed to ignite your fondue fantasies and transport you back to cherished memories. Its playful homage to yesteryear exude retro charm, effortlessly elevating your dining table. With a range of vibrant colors and finishes to choose from, this fondue pot becomes a statement piece that reflects your personal style, adding a touch of vintage flair to any occasion. Its generous capacity invites friends and family to gather around, ready to embark on a shared journey of delectable dips and delightful conversations. A true master of temperature control, the Oster Fondue Pot puts you in charge. With a simple twist or push, you become the culinary conductor, guiding the temperature to achieve the perfect consistency for your fondue creations. Whether you're dreaming of a world of melted cheese, silky chocolate, or sizzling meats, this fondue pot ensures that each bite is a tantalizing delight. It is important to note, however, that some users have reported issues with uneven heating in the Oster Fondue Pot. Occasionally, certain areas of the pot may be hotter than others, leading to uneven cooking or melting of the ingredients. While this can be a drawback, it's worth noting that many users have still enjoyed wonderful fondue experience with this pot, leveraging their creativity to work around any potential inconsistencies. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a chocolate melting pot that is applauded for its stylish design and versatility. The third chocolate melting pot on our list is the Oster Fondue Pot, which TwistedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Prepare to elevate your fondue experience to new heights with the Oster Fondue Pot, a culinary masterpiece designed to ignite your senses and transform ordinary gatherings into extraordinary moments. As we delve into the world of this versatile and convenient appliance, be prepared to embark on a journey of fondue enchantment. With a design that seamlessly blends sleekness and modernity, the Oster Fondue Pot becomes a showstopper in any kitchen. Its aesthetic prowess is matched only by its range of sizes and capacities, ensuring that you can find the perfect fit for intimate gatherings or grand soirees. This culinary gem effortlessly complements your unique style, setting the stage for a fondue feast that will leave your guests in awe. Safety is of paramount importance in this gastronomic adventure, and the Oster Fondue Pot takes it to heart. There's a cool touch handle that stands as sentinels of protection, allowing you to confidently handle and maneuver the pot, even amidst the dancing flames of culinary creativity. It also has non-slip feet that provide a steadfast foundation, ensuring stability as you delve into the art of fondue with grace and confidence. However, it is worth noting that the Oster Fondue Pot may have limited functionality. Compared to more advanced fondue pots, it may lack features such as adjustable temperature settings, different cooking modes, or timers, which can limit its versatility for various fondue recipes. The Trusted Chopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a fondue pot that is durable enough to withstand a lot of usage. The second chocolate melting pot on our list is the Wilton Melting Pot, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. At the heart of this culinary masterpiece is its exceptional melting performance. The Wilton Melting Pot effortlessly transforms chocolate, candy melts, butter, and more into silky smooth creations. With its adjustable temperature controls, you have the power to achieve precise and consistent melting results. Every ingredient is handled with care and finesse, as the pot's ability to distribute heat evenly creates a symphony of flavors that will captivate your taste buds. When it comes to cleanup and maintenance, this model embraces the concept of convenience. Designed with your ease in mind, this culinary marvel simplifies the cleaning process. The removable pot or bowl allows for quick and effortless removal of residue. In fact, many components of the melting pot can find refuge in the warmth of the dishwasher, granting you the freedom to revel in the sweet aftermath of your culinary triumphs without the burden of arduous maintenance. It's worth noting, however, that some users have reported that the Wilton Melting Pot may take longer than expected to melt chocolate. This can be a disadvantage in time-sensitive tasks or recipes where quick melting is required. Nonetheless, with a little patience, the Wilton Melting Pot still delivers exceptional results and allows you to unleash your culinary creativity with precision. The Trusted Chopping Guide team recommends this for anyone looking for a chocolate melting pot that is easy to clean and maintain. The best chocolate melting pot on our list is the Cuisinart Fondue Pot, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. Prepare to be captivated by this model's stunning presence as it graces your dining table with a sleek and modern design that exudes sophistication. The elegant contours and meticulous craftsmanship pay homage to the art of culinary indulgence, setting the stage for an extraordinary fondue experience. Available in a range of sizes and capacities, this fondue pot accommodates your every serving need, transforming any gathering into a feast for the senses. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Cuisinart Fondue Pot assumes the role of a culinary conductor, granting you the power to wield temperature control with unparalleled precision. Embrace the art of nuance as you set and maintain the ideal temperature, ensuring that each dip and bite elicits a burst of tantalizing bliss. With unwavering accuracy, your fondue remains at the perfect consistency, captivating your palate with every indulgent moment. Now, there's one small hiccup. Some users have found that the power cord of this fondue pot is relatively short. It's like a culinary cliffhanger, leaving you wondering where to place the pot during the fondue extravaganza. But fear not, this is just a minor obstacle in the grand scheme of things. With a little creativity and the help of trusty extension cords, you can navigate around this challenge and set up the perfect fondue station wherever your heart desires. The Trusted Chopping Guide team recommends this to those looking for a chocolate melting pot with precise temperature control that becomes a beacon of culinary excellence. And there you have it, folks, our best chocolate melting pots, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for our next chocolate melting pot roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TheTrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.